Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some easy and elegant home decor. So what you're going to need some of this gold bling wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now, from Dollar Tree, you are going to need one of these bell-shaped plastic bowls, and you're also going to need a small candle holder or a small mini vase. And I'm also going to be using some of these mosaic tiles. They are from Amazon, and then also I have some white paint also from Amazon. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, but if I decide to use any additional items or any alternate items, I will have those listed in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, didn't this easy and elegant vase turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.